So folks ask regularly what other exercises they can do or what are things they can do to help round out their estate plan beyond just the documents. And these are exercises that I love to talk with clients about. Some of these exercises have come about simply because of talking with the clients and seeing what was important for them, as opposed to me just having this massive collection of lawyer exercises for people to do. But three have shown up to be really powerful for clients. The first is what I call the 5 items exercise. And I was actually recently reminded of this because my kid's fourth grade class is doing this very exercise. And the 5 items exercise is to take 5 items from around your house and put them in a paper bag or take pictures of them. And then share those 5 items with your family members or your spouse, partner, loved ones. And the 5 items are items that tell a unique story about you or things you'd be really bummed if they just got thrown out. But generally, these are items that don't have a lot of financial value, but really are things that you've picked up that you've just never put down. And it might be everything from a keychain to a stick or something like a family heirloom. But these are 5 items that really would quantify and qualify who you are as a person. And a lot of fun can happen from this 5 items exercise. Excellent dinner party conversation, but have fun with it. The second is the classic English 101 exercise from college, which is to write your own obituary. I know it sounds morbid, like, oh my gosh, I'm thinking about myself when I'm dead. But really, in writing your own obituary, you're getting to the root of how you want to be remembered. And the beautiful thing about this is you could start then thinking about, gosh, if I want to be remembered this way, what can I start doing now to encourage that? And it might be a change of lifestyle. It might be a change of communication. It might be even a change of just your own vulnerability in talking with loved ones. And then lastly is one that was born from a conversation with a client of mine who was really sad that she wasn't leaving her children more money. And so the exercise that came about from that was to ask her adult child, if you can have anything from me, if I can provide anything to you, in my will that's not financial, what would it be? And her daughter said, I would like a letter from you so that when I miss you, I can read it. Right. I mean, talk about like totally tear jerking in that moment. But, this is an opportunity to start talking with your children about what really would inspire them to have from you that's not money oriented. And then a corresponding exercise to that, of course, is to ask them if your gift from them financially can do anything for them, what would it be? And this is really sort of getting to the root of, how do you want them to utilize your resources that you're using as a gift? And it might be ensuring that, college is paid for. It might be ensuring that, they've always got a roof over their head or that medical is always going to be covered or they never have to worry about having a little extra money for vacations or just supporting themselves if they want to take on different kinds of roles in their, later stages of life. But these are the 3 exercises that I really find to be powerful for my clients. And again, new exercises are coming around all the time, but largely they're born from what's really inspiring you in your plan. How do you want to, be remembered? How do you want to communicate or encourage or leave a gift? And starting with these types of overarching questions will then beget whatever exercises will work for you and your family.